Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can remove a background of a video using Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank video template, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to elements and here you can search for any keyword for which you want a video. You can also upload your video from here, right? So right now I'm just taking a sample video. For example, here are many videos available and I just want to remove a background of this video. Okay, so I have selected this and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on BG remover and this feature is just above your video, right? And as you can see the background has been successfully removed, right? So in this manner you can simply remove a background of any video, right? I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.